Excellence is that level where a person not only performs good deeds, but does so with sincerity solely for the pleasure of Allah. Excellence means to worship as if you are seeing Allah, and if you do not attain this status, be assured that Allah is watching you. It also means treating people well even when they do not treat you kindly. Pray for those who hurt you. Approach gently those who turn away from you. This is the mark of a true believer. Through excellence, love blossoms in hearts, and Allah loves those who do good. Indeed, Allah loves those who do good deeds. In the journey of life, the pursuit of excellence enriches the soul, guiding individuals towards greater kindness and understanding. When someone reaches out for help, it is an opportunity to embody the spirit of generosity and compassion, creating ripples of positive change in the world around us. The essence of excellence lies in the ability to forgive and uplift others, nurturing a community where love prevails. Remember, every act of kindness brings us closer to the divine, reminding us of the profound effect of our actions on those who share our path.